the business report. The Bank of Jamaica is keeping its policy rate steady at 6% per year. Bank of Jamaica's Governor Richard Biles made the announcement at the bank's quarterly monetary policy press conference following last Thursday's decision by the Monetary Policy Committee.
From those deliberations, the MPC determined that the current level of policy rate continues to be appropriate to support inflation remaining within the bank's target range of 4 to 6%. As such, the committee unanimously agreed to 1. Maintain the policy rate at 6% per annum, and 2. Preserve relative stability in the foreign exchange market.
Governor Biles pointed to a significant decline in headline inflation as a key reason for the decision.
On the 17th of February, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, reported that headline inflation at January 2025 was 4.7%, representing a general declining trend from the 7.4% at January 2024. Core inflation, which excludes the prices of agricultural food products and fuels from the CPI, was 4% at January 2025, remaining consistently below the 6% since July of 2023. This outturn reflects the fact that the sources of inflation have been moderated.
He also noted that private sector expectations, a key driver of headline inflation, are continuing to decline. The Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, has been expanding its educational initiatives, reaching audiences from primary school students to seasoned investors. Since launching its Caribbean Business Exchange cable television channel in 2022 as part of its educational programs, the JSE has seen tremendous feedback with increasing participation and engagement from various segments of the population. Managing Director of the JSE, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, recently joined the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service Finance Matters program to discuss the various educational initiatives designed to create a culture of financial awareness and demystify the concept of investments in Jamaica. The companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange shared their financial results with shareholders. We share 3 of the most recent financial results. Productive Business Solutions Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024, with a net profit attributable to shareholders of $8.40 million. JMMB Group Limited's unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, reports 89% decline in 9 months net profit. Pulse Investment Limited's unaudited financials for the 6 months ended December 31, 2024, reports 65% decline in 6 months net profit. Denise Williams brings us the latest market data.
For the trading period ending February 24, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,308,982 units traded, representing 21.56% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,172,991 units traded, representing 10.95% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,016,104 units traded, representing 9.49% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 24, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $55.92 million purchased and US $82.47 million sold by Forex traders. And Forex traders earned $1.43 per dollar, selling the US at $158.06 and buying the US at $156.63. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.49 per transaction, with selling at $112.39 and buying at $109.90. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.96 in profits, with selling at $199.11 and buying at $196.15. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're a freelancer or gig worker, the rising cost of higher education can feel overwhelming, especially without a steady paycheck or employer benefits. But here's the good news. Your credit score can open doors to smart financial strategies that make college more affordable for your children. So if your challenge is that traditional student loans have high interest rates, then the solution is with good credit, you can co-sign private student loans at a lower rate or refinance a parent loan for better terms.